Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we have here an algebra word problem, age word problem. So aim of this video is to lay out how to solve and analyze algebra word problem solving when it comes to age problems. So it would be much easier for students to figure out and analyze how algebra age word problem will be solved. And so based on my experience when I was in college or in school, of course, we have some hardships solving algebra word problems because of the fact that we don't have a good foundation in solving algebra word problems. That means representing sentences into mathematical sentences, word problems into equations in math. That's what I mean. So here I will show you step by step on how to solve this complicated age word problem. Alright, so let's start. Let's start by reading the problem. We have A's age is 4 times Bert's age in the past, when Bert's age is the same as A's age in the past. That's period right there. So the sentence is constructed, it involves two time frames indicating past and the present, right? Comparing Bert's and A's age at different tenses, past and the present. And the second sentence says here, if the sum of their present ages is 26, find their present ages. Since what's being asked over here is their present ages, so we have to represent those present ages for A's and Bert. So we're picking X and Y, right? X for A's age and Bert's Y present age. So let's do that. And so now we have here, let X be A's present age. And then Y be Bert's present age. So now let's go back to our word problem. So let's analyze the first half of the first sentence. We have here A's age is 4 times Bert's age in the past. So let's stop right there, right here. Okay, so say here age is, that means this is present age compared to Bert's age in the past. Say here 4 times Bert's age in the past. Since we know that present age of A's is X, so we can represent that in terms of Bert's age in the past also. So this means we have present age. We'll be constructing a table or chart so we can represent those time frames referring to their ages, past and present. All right, so I'm gonna do a table or a chart too, so we can tabulate those different tenses or different stages of their ages for both of them. Okay, and so now we have a chart, past ages and the present ages. We have this row, A's age, and the bottom row is Bert's age. From the first half, the half of the first sentence says there, A's age is 4 times Bert's age in the past. Since we have indicated already A's age in the present as X, and Bert's age in the present is Y, and based on that first half of the sentence, we have A's age is 4 times Bert's age in the past. So A's age in the present is 4 times Bert's age in the past. So that means we have X is present in 4 times. This is 4 times Bert's age in the past. Didn't say how many years in the past. So that means X divided by 4, right? Since 4 times this amount will be X. That's referring to A's age in the present. Then let's go back to our word problem. Second part of the first sentence, it says there's a time frame connector or indicator over here when. Then we go to start from here. So Bert's age is the same as A's age in the past. And we stop right there. Okay, stop right here at this period right here. Start from here and stop to here. So it says here, Bert's age is, so the present age of Bert is the same as A's age in the past. So let's go back to our chart. Bert's age, saying Bert's present age compared to A's age in the past is the same. So that means A's age in the past is Y. right? So now once again we go back to our word problem. Let's read the question. What's being asked? Says here, if the sum of their present ages is 26, find their present ages. So now we have the chart. So we have here the sum of their present ages is 26. Their present ages is x and y, right? So we have x plus y equals, says there, 26. All right? So that will be our first equation. We need two equations to solve these two variables, x and y. So far we have one equation, so we need one more equation. Where are we going to get that second equation, you think? Well, we analyze the data in the chart or the data in the chart regarding their past and present comparison of their ages. We take a look. Present and the past, right? We don't know how many years in the past or how many years from past to the present in the problem. It didn't say. So we don't know how many years difference between the present and the past. But then we know that it will be the same for birth, present age, subtracting past age from the present, right? So this means x minus y equals y minus x over 4. So that will be our second equation. Since the difference between the present and the past is always the same concerning both of their ages, right? So let's do that. So x minus y, we have here x minus y equals age present age minus past age, x minus y, and is equal to, or is must be equal to, birth's present age minus the past age, right? So the difference between the present and the past. Okay, so this is now y minus x over 4. All right, so that is our equation 2. So now we have two equations and two unknowns. So we can now solve for our variable x and y, right? All right, so how do we solve this now? We have systems of equations. We have two equations, two unknowns. So now if we take a look, since the second equation comprises of two variables on both sides, we can put all the variables on one side, right? And simplify this equation 2. So we put all the variables on to the left hand side. So this is now x minus y, then minus y, right? Bring this to the left, and this negative x over 4 to the left will be positive 2. So that's positive x over 4 equals 0. So now we have x minus 2y plus x over 4 equals 0. So let's simplify this by multiplying by 4, right? So get rid of the denominator over here. So we have 4 times x, that's 4x, minus 4 times 2y is 8y, then plus x over 4 times 4, that's x, equals 0. So this is now combining all the x's. So that is 5x minus 8y equals 0. So this is now our equation 2. So let's erase this equation 2 over here. This is a simplified form of equation 2. And so now how do we solve these systems of equation? X and y, we have 1 and 2 equations over here. So we might as well do substitution, right? Let's put simplify x in terms of y over here and put value of x to 2, right? So from equation 1, now we have x equals 26 minus y. So we have this value. Now we put this value of x into equation 2. So we put this into equation 2. So we have now 5x. So this is 5 times x is 26 minus y minus 8y equals 0. Simplify. 26 times 5, that's 30. So 130. Then minus 5y and minus 8y equals 0. So put the variable to the right and constant on the left remains here. So we have 130 equals 5 plus 8 is 13y. So these are positive. From negative going to the right will be positive. Solving for y, divide by 13 both sides. So we have y is equal to, this one is 10. Y is 10. So 10 years. This is Bert's present age. PA. Present age. Bert's present age. PA. Now let's solve for A's present age. That is x. So from equation 1 we have x plus y equals 26. And we have found that the value of y is 10. So we have y is 10. So we have x plus 10 equals 26. So x is equal to 26 minus 10. So x is equal to 26 minus 10. This is 16. This is A's present age, PA. And so now let's check our answer. We have here value of x, A's present age, that's 16, and Bert's present age, y is, we have here Bert's present age is 10. Let's put those in our chart. So we have here value of x, A's present age, this is 16, x, and y, Bert's present age is 10. Based on the problem, the sum of their present ages is 26. We have the correct answer, right? 16 plus 10 is 26. And that's correct. Now the past age says their past age is the same as Bert's present age. So this is the same. Y is 10. And if you say here Bert's past age, x over 4, this is because A's present age is 4 times Bert's age in the past. That means 4 times this is 16. So x over 4 is 4, right? So this means Bert's past age is quarter of A's present age, 16. Since 4 times 4 is 16, right? And now let's take a look at the difference of present and the past time. We're referring to their ages. It's present age column over here, past age over here. The difference of this must be equal to the difference of their present and past age over here. We have here 16 minus 10. How much is that? 6, right? And here the difference between here and here is 6. So that means they're both the same. So this just confirms that the value of x and y, their present ages, are correct. X is 16 and y is 10. And so that's all for now, and thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Have a great day, everyone. You take care. Bye-bye. And for those students who would like to learn more about solving algebra word problem, you might as well consider subscribing to my channel, since I will be uploading in the near future more of those algebra word problems, so you can have more practice and hone your skills and become proficient in solving algebra word problems. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.